How did this man go from down and out loner to leader of one of the superpowers of Europe? How did the impossible happen? This is the premise for this course, Germany 1919 to 1947. I'm Thomas Rogers, British educator with 8 years classroom experience. I'm currently the head of history at a school in the northwest of England. Through this course you will learn, through videos, interactive quizzes and plenty of other downloadables, a detailed overview of events in Germany during this period. This is a truly interactive course. I set tasks as part of each lecture so you can develop your own learning portfolio. Firstly, you'll start by exploring Hitler's path to power. What factors helped him become the Fuhrer? Second, you will look at how life in Germany changed after the Nazis came to power. How were children, women, and the unemployed affected? Finally, you'll look at life in Germany in World War II. This course is for anyone with an interest in the subject. No prior knowledge or context is needed to access this course. Thanks for watching. Why not try a free preview of this course?